Arrumar is one of those verbs that if you want to understand what Brazilians say, you must learn. By the end of today's lesson, you'll learn some different meanings and uses arrumar has in Brazilian Portuguese. Olá pessoal, today's lesson was inspired in a comment made by a subscriber. Her comment made me realize that I hadn't made any videos on the verb arrumar yet. Better late than sorry. Or in Português, antes tarde do que nunca. Antes tarde do que nunca. One of the most common uses of the verb arrumar in Portuguese is to describe the action of organizing, tidying up something, whether it's a room, a workplace, or even your hair. Arrumar implies putting things in order or making them look neat. Examples. The first thing he does in the morning is make the bed. A primeira coisa que ele faz de manhã é arrumar a cama. A primeira coisa que ele faz de manhã é arrumar a cama. Then he packs his backpack. Depois ele arruma a sua mochila. Depois ele arruma a sua mochila. The teacher. She just needs to fix her hair and she's ready to go to school. Ela só precisa arrumar o cabelo e está pronta para ir para a escola. Ela só precisa arrumar o cabelo e está pronta para ir para a escola. Have you noticed that I didn't say para, but pra? This is something Brazilians often do. We often shorten para to pra. Below is a lesson, the link to a lesson on words commonly shortened in Brazilian Portuguese. Well, at the beginning of the day, the desks are always organized. No início do dia, as carteiras estão sempre arrumadas. No início do dia, as carteiras estão sempre arrumadas. But at the end of the day, students tidy up the classroom. Mas no final do dia, os alunos arrumam a sala de aula. Mas no final do dia, os alunos arrumam a sala de aula. It seems that the TV isn't working. She must have it fixed. So, arrumar also means to repair something that is broken, malfunctioning. Yes, being similar to repair, fix in English. The technician is going to fix the TV after lunch. O técnico vai arrumar a televisão depois do almoço. O técnico vai arrumar a televisão depois do almoço.
Bia, você sabia que o meu avô arrumava relógios?
Não sabia. She just told me that her grandfather used to fix clocks. O avô dela arrumava relógios. O avô dela arrumava relógios. My grandfather repaired cars. O meu avô arrumava carros. O meu avô arrumava carros. Wait, where's the technician? Wasn't he supposed to fix the TV after lunch? Onde está o técnico?
Ele arrumou outro emprego.
What? He's got another job. Ele arrumou outro emprego. So here, arrumar doesn't mean to fix, to organize. No, arrumar means to obtain or find something, especially when it involves some kind of effort. This use of arrumar is quite informal but widely used in conversational contexts. So, ele arrumou outro emprego.
Eu arrumei emprego melhor.
Ele arrumou emprego melhor. Tonight, he and his wife are going out to celebrate. But who will look after their kids? Have they found someone to look after their kids? Vocês arrumaram alguém para cuidar dos seus filhos?
Arrumamos.
Eles arrumaram alguém para cuidar dos filhos deles. Oh, a new car. How will he pay for it? He needs to find some money, some way to pay for the car. Ele precisa arrumar dinheiro para pagar pelo carro. Ele precisa arrumar dinheiro para pagar pelo carro. Felizmente, ele arrumou um emprego melhor. Felizmente, ele arrumou um emprego melhor. Oh, it's bedtime. The kids are getting ready to go to bed. When referring to preparing oneself or getting dressed, we should use arrumar with a reflexive pronoun. Eu me arrumo, você se arruma, ele e ela se arruma, nós nos arrumamos, vocês se arrumam, eles, elas se arrumam. Yes, we have to use it with a reflexive pronoun. So the kids are getting ready to go to bed. As crianças estão se arrumando para ir dormir. As crianças estão se arrumando para ir dormir. They don't need help to get dressed. Eles não precisam de ajuda para se arrumar. Yes, to get dressed, to get ready. Eles não precisam de ajuda para se arrumar.
Eu já me arrumei.
He's all ready to sleep. Ele já se arrumou. Ele já se arrumou. And it seems that he doesn't want to sleep. No. First, he said he was hungry. Then, he was thirsty. Then, he needed to check on the dog. I guess someone is making up excuses not to sleep. So here, we can use the phrase arrumar desculpas. Making up excuses. Ele está arrumando desculpas para não dormir. Ele está arrumando desculpas para não dormir.
Bea, às vezes ele arruma desculpas para não escovar os dentes.
What? He makes up excuses not to brush his teeth. Stop making up excuses. Pare de arrumar desculpas. Pare de arrumar desculpas. Did you like today's lesson? Have you given it a thumbs up? Not yet. Pare de arrumar desculpas. Give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about another verb that has different meanings and uses in Brazilian Portuguese, I recommend you watch that lesson and tell me later what you learned from it. Thank you very much for watching another lesson. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau.